Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 974 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this Maelle Beauty Clearly Brilliant Tinted Lips in Berry. And this is a product I got in my September 2020 Ipsy glam bag. And I actually have already tried out the Maelle Clearly Brilliant Tinted Lips, but in a different shade because I was able to redeem points for this on Ipsy a little while ago. The shade that I tried out before I would think was called Rose, but I love lip products. I love lip crayons. I just find them super easy and convenient to apply. And I'm so excited to see what this shade looks like. Ooh, yes, it's such a jelly, creamy formula that's supposed to be hydrating on the lips, which is something I really look for in my lip products. I don't want it to dry out my lips any more than they already are. So here is that swatch. A decent amount of pigment for a tinted product. And it does twist up, which I really like as well. I hate having to sharpen the thick pencil sticks. But what I love about lip crayons like this is that it's kind of like a lip liner, lipstick in one. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips and then fill them in. I love this color already. Yeah, like I could definitely use this as my lip liner under other lipsticks. But oh my gosh, I love this color. I'm so excited to fill in my lips. Gosh, it just glides right on. It's such a jelly, creamy, sleek formula. Okay, wow. I love this shade so much. It's a perfect mix of being pink and nude and a little bit red. Oh, it's just so perfect. Such a flattering tone. I love it. I wouldn't exactly call it berry. I feel like it's a little bit more pink to be berry, but it is beautiful. And what makes it even more beautiful is the texture. Such a hydrating, creamy formula that looks so smooth on the lips. It's completely even. I would not really say that this looks tinted at all. I think it looks like I have opaque, great pigmented color on my lips. And it's got some sheen. Oh, it is just so beautiful. From the color to the formula to the application, I love everything about this. And this mini version is going to be able to last me for a while. You get a good amount of product in this, but I also do have the full-size version, which retails for $9, and for how long it can last you, I think it's really worth it. Also, with just how beautiful of a product this is. This is seriously one of my favorite lipstick shades I think I've ever tried. It's just such a go-to shade, and I kind of feel like it's unique. It looks like I mixed a bunch of different lip products and lip colors together, but no, it's just this one beautiful berry shade right here. I'm gonna do a kiss test to see the transfer. Yeah, that's about what I would expect since it is such a creamy formula. And it does fade, so it's not going to last me through eating and drinking. But since it's this very convenient, easy to apply stick formula, I have no problem reapplying it. So I absolutely love this, and I'm so happy I have another color of it. Let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on the Maelle Clearly Brilliant Tinted Lips. I hope that you love it as much as I do. But as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.